What's up, guys? Nathan here, bringing you my bike check for the Verde Theory 2012. It's a nice bike overall. Starting out with the front end, we got black label bar ends, some ODI long neck grips, real nice. Some Verde Theory handlebars, like 8.5 rise, 28.5 width. Odyssey Classic top load stem. Verde Theory fork. Thick dropouts, by the way. Female axles. Cinema 666 double wall rims. Alloy front hub, I believe. Really nice. Primo pegs. And my tire is a Duo Stunner 2.2 tire. Really like it. Coming over here, we got Duo recital pedals, real thick. Verde crank arms, like them. Verde React sprocket, real light. I got a Alienation seat post and a black label plastic pivotal seat. Back here we got, we got the Fit FAF white wall tires, 2.10. They don't wear out that fast, so I would recommend getting these. I've had them for about a month now. Well, not really a month, about 2 weeks. Primo peg again. I just got the Verde chain, probably a KMC chain. About to get a half link. This back hub is real nice. It sounds pretty good. Cinema 666 rims again. That's basically it. Overall, this bike is pretty light. I've spent about $600 into it. That's basically it. Total bike weighs about 24 when you get it. If you add some parts, right now it's probably about 22 because I have the pegs on. Well, that's pretty much it. More videos coming soon. Peace.